OpenAI versus Anthropic, also known for its Claude models. OpenAI versus Anthropic. OpenAI versus Anthropic refers to the difference between a company building broad, general-purpose AI models for many tasks and a company designing AI models with a strong, explicit focus on safety and value alignment. A simple way to think about it, OpenAI is like a powerful Swiss Army knife for AI, built to handle as many tasks as possible, from chatting to coding to analysis. Anthropic's Claude is more like a carefully rule-bound assistant, where a written constitution of principles guides what it can say and how it behaves, even if that limits some behaviors. In practice, a startup might choose OpenAI to power a multi-feature product that needs strong coding help, image generation, and flexible chat in one stack, while a bank or healthcare provider might prefer Anthropic's Claude because its constitutional training makes refusals, guardrails, and policy adherence more predictable. This difference is closely related to ideas from responsible AI, where safety and governance are treated as first-class design goals. This OpenAI versus Anthropic distinction matters because teams now choose not just a large language model, but a philosophy, maximum general capability, or safety and constitutional alignment as the primary constraint. As AI systems become core infrastructure, understanding these trade-offs helps you match a provider to your risk tolerance, regulatory environment, and product goals. OpenAI versus Anthropic.